In this video, I'll show you how to use Pen in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and open the PDF file you want to write or draw on. You can do this by clicking File, then Open, and selecting your PDF from your device. Once the PDF is open, go to All Tools and choose Comment. In most versions of Adobe Acrobat, the Pen tool is found inside the Comment tools because pen marks are added as annotations on top of the document. This means you can write, draw, circle, underline, and mark up the PDF without changing the original text. After the comment toolbar appears, look for the pencil icon. This tool is usually called Draw Freehand, but many people simply call it the Pen tool. Click the pencil icon to activate it. Now move your cursor over the PDF page. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag to write or draw directly on the document. If you are using a touchscreen laptop, tablet, or stylus, you can draw more naturally, almost like writing with a real pen on paper. You can use the pen tool for many things. For example, you can circle important details, underline key sentences, write short notes, mark corrections, draw arrows, or highlight areas that need attention. After you create a pen mark, you can customize how it looks. Click the pen mark to select it, then open the Properties or Style options. Depending on your version of Acrobat, these options may appear in a small toolbar, a right-click menu, or a Properties panel. From there, you can change the pen color, line thickness, and opacity. For example, you can use red for corrections, blue for comments, green for approvals, or black for simple handwriting. If the mark is too thin to see clearly, increase the thickness. If you make a mistake, click the pen mark and press Delete on your keyboard. Some versions of Acrobat may also include an eraser tool for freehand drawings. If you do not see an eraser, selecting the mark and deleting it is usually the easiest method. You can also move some pen marks after drawing them. Click the mark once, then drag it to a better position if needed. When you finish using the pen, switch back to the Selection tool. This prevents you from accidentally drawing more marks while scrolling through the PDF. Before saving, review the page carefully. Make sure your pen marks are clear, placed correctly, and not covering important information. Finally, save your PDF. Click File, then Save to update the same document, or choose Save. As if you want to keep the original file unchanged. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.